Zdravo Jumbo Salut! Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally showing you my style routine, how I use a straightener to get my long-lasting, silky, luscious curls, and how you can transform your hair and get beautiful curls while still keeping it healthy and changing it from this dry, matted mess like mine into soft, silky, long-lasting curls. I'll show you all my products, secret techniques, and how to achieve healthy hair. Now, if you guys don't care about all the products and brushes I use, you can always fast forward to the styling part, which I'll leave in the description below with a little timestamp. But starting off with products, I use 3 different types of brushes before styling, which is the soft bristle brush, my wet brush, and I'll be linking all of this down below, and a teasing comb just to get out any hard knots and to add some volume to the hair. I also like to use 2 butterfly clips just to hold my hair up when I'm styling it, and of course my straightener, which is the GHD Gold Straightener. It's my favorite straightener. It's honestly changed my hair. It's changed the texture of my hair, the silkiness of my hair, and it really does make it look healthier. Here, if you want to pause, you can just see like all the benefits of this straightener, and I will leave that link down below as well. Now, a must when styling the hair is a good playlist, and I've been obsessed with Post Malone's new album, so I'll be playing that while I wait for my straightener to heat up, which takes 5 seconds, and while I wait for that, I will be adding my products. So I use It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. Again, guys, everything will be listed down below for the details. I'm just going to place that conditioner through my hair and then use my wet brush to distribute it evenly and get out any tangles. Then I'll be using my heat protectant, spraying that all over my hair and brushing it through as well. When it comes to my baby hairs and bangs, I like to use the little comb and then run my straightener through it because it makes it easier before curling your whole head of hair. As you can see, it already made a little difference, and I do want to let you know I blow dried my hair the night before filming this video because my hair is naturally curly, so I wanted to calm it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and clip up the top half of my hair so I can work on the bottom more neatly. Now, since I do have naturally curlier hair, I'm going to go ahead and take the straightener and run it through the top pieces of my hair where my hair tends to curl up. If you don't have curly hair, you can skip this step, but it just takes me a few seconds so I can make sure the root of my hair is just as smooth as the rest of it. It's time to really curl the hair. So a big hair hack is to just brush your hair super well with a soft boar bristle brush like the one I'm using. That'll prep the hair for a smooth, silky curl. Then I'm going to take the straightener in a diagonally downward position, flip the hair, and then pull it forward. This is going to give you a beautiful curl that lasts a super long time. So one more time, taking an inch section, brushing it with my boar bristle brush, taking my straightener in a diagonal position facing downwards, flipping the hair, pulling it forward, and ta-da, you'll have a beautiful curl. Now you can just watch me do it a few times, do it along with me to get the hang of it. Now with the opposite side, it's important to focus on facing the straightener towards you. That way both sides will be going away from the face. Now it's time to curl the middle section. The only difference is you're going to start the straightener at a higher point of your hair, making the curl much longer in this section. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with favorite crowns. for the top part, I just section my hair how I want it to be parted, and then I curl.
With paper crowns, with paper crowns, with paper crowns. You don't wanna leave, I'm the one to keep.
Now for some added volume, I just spray some dry shampoo in the top sections of my hair. Then I just take my teasing comb and back comb a few upper sections just for a little added volume, and it makes your part last way longer.
What you want from me?
Now once done, it's super important to add an oil treatment into the hair. This will just give it a lot more life, revitalize it, and add some shine as well.
Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about.
Alright my loves, don't forget to thumbs up and comment down below anything you want to see next. I love to see your requests down in the comments below, so leave me some love. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. I love you all so much. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to check out my last few videos, and I will see you soon next week or this week for another video. Mwah!